Hey y'all, I wanted to come on here real quick and I wanted to share something with you guys, right? And this is a part of my testimony, you know what I'm saying? But I believe that it has a powerful, impactful teaching opportunity within it because I know I'm not the only person who either has experienced this before or in the process or maybe experiencing this like right now as we're talking about it, as it is coming forth on their YouTube feed or what have you, right? Y'all, I ain't gonna tell no lie. I used to be so afraid to like go anywhere outside the four walls of the church. When God saved me, I just knew I had to be at church and church only. Like the idea, the thought of going somewhere outside of the church walls or my home or my job was just unreal, right? And what I realized is that I was in bondage to fear. Like I was so afraid that I would lose my salvation, that people would see me and they would just know I wasn't saved. And y'all, it wasn't even just what people would say or if they saw me or whatever the case may be. It was my own thoughts that was wrestling against me. And what I understood now that I understand that is the transformation period. You've been translated, but there's also a transformation that's going on too. But not only was I afraid of what people may have said or, if they, saw me or whatever, y'all, I was afraid of what would I do? Like, what decisions would I make?